Hey everybody, I thought you might like to see an unboxing of the Warrior from Indonesia. So I got out my knife. That didn't work. That was supposed to, you know, flickety flick. Gotta practice, I guess. Alright, so let's open this bad boy up and take a look at the Warrior. The Warrior. The Warrior. I normally remove this stuff at the top, but it's just quicker to cut it off. Okay, so this is the interior. All red. Warrior, nothing much on that disc. And I'll take a look here just quickly to see. Nope. No reversible art or anything. So that is it. That is unboxing the Warrior. There's the front cover, the back cover, and the disc. Till next video, guys. Take care. Have a good one.